everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Optum. Today I will share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This group, you know that I am provide job update regularly. So I have discussed our first job. Our first job from Infosys. Infosys is hiring for system engineer and location is Gurugram, Haryana, India. Okay. And need of work experience is 0 year of work experience you have need. And responsibility you can see here advanced concept and understanding operating system and all. Technical skill need like Spring Boot, Java, preferred skill technology Java and all. And how to apply the job? You click here apply and you fill all the required details. Our next job is VRC IT company hiring for business analyst and location in Chennai and who can apply if you are fresher and 0 to 2 year of experience then you have apply on this. So, this is job highlight and this is your job description and mandatory skill like experience in as a business analyst in an IT company and finance domain working user capturing and analyzing data and technical skill you have like Python, Excel, and how to apply this job. You have click here apply and you fill the all the details. Our next job is Optum is hiring for senior data engineer for MS SQL Noida and location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This is your primary responsibility like install, migrate, upgrade and maintain multiple databases required for development, testing and production environment. And you have need SSRS and SSIS skill also. And experience need like if you are SQL 2014, 14, 16, 2016 and 2019 and you have good knowledge of SSIS, SRS and TSQL. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is HR, Human Resource Intern. This is for Bangalore location and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is Fresh Point. Fresh Point is hiring for data operation associate and how to apply this job? You have simply click uh, here and uh, you fill the location and detail and after that you have start your applying. Our next job is data engineer for remote location and who can apply for the job if you have 0 to 2 year of experience then you have apply on the job and this is your roles and responsibility or here this is your role and skills required like Python, SQL, and you have completed bachelor degree and a master degree. Also, you have applied on that. Our next job is tax intern. This is hiring for tax intern and location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And this is your job description like you have task role and responsibility preparing whitehall tax and qualification need like BCom, MCom or MBA finance and this is your experience need like 0 to 1 year of relevant experience you must need have and good written and verbal communication experience in MS Office and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel and share this channel with your friends.